Hi everyone, welcome back. It is a new month and you know what that means. We have a new exclusive bundle from Nails Truly & Co. So we're not wasting any time. We're going to dive right into this, and right off the bat, this bag is adorable. It has these really cute gnomes on them and I love the colors of these gnomes. And we have the first thing in here is 2 swatch sticks, and then we have a magic eraser, which is like an acetone nail art brush. It's really awesome. We also have a fabulous cuticle oil, and this one smells really good. It kind of reminds me of like nerd candy. I don't know, it smells really good. And I love the cuticle oil from Nails Truly & Co. It's very fast absorbing. It doesn't leave a greasy residue. And then we have these two awesome, these names are so fun. These are 2 exclusive colors that are found in this bundle. And we're going to use both of them today so you get to see them in action. And then the moment you're waiting for are these really fun gnome decals. I feel like this sheet here will get you through any holiday because it's fall. It also has, you're going to see here in just a moment, it has some 4th of July, we have some Valentine's Day, we have a Christmas gnomes, we have spring, we have just like the perfect color here. We have an autism awareness with like the puzzles, but overall we have St. Patty's Day. So this right here, this is cute because this is really going to just get you through any holiday. It's kind of like the exclusive that keeps on giving. And I love the color palette. I like that we have that purple, we had the green, that blue is everything. And then we have the perfect yellow right here, which is gonna get you through autumn. And then how cute is this? This is perfect for Valentine's Day and Easter. So fun. So here's the entire exclusive bundle. I'm really loving it just because the fact alone that you can reuse these decals in many different ways. So we're going to do a set of press-ons today on the Shape Short Coffin. We're also going to do the gel method today, and we're going to start with Rollin' with My Gnomes. These names are so fun. So we're just going to do a very, very thin layer of gel base, and then I'm going to go ahead and dip into that cupcake liner. I personally, when I'm using the gel method, I prefer to use a cupcake liner just so I have a little bit more wiggle room. And then right away, I'm going to go ahead and press everything down, making sure everything is laying super flat. And then I'm going to cure for a full 30 seconds. I do cure off camera, but just keep in mind anytime you see me just dusting off and going in with another nail, I did cure for a full 30 seconds. If you are worried about the dip powder not curing, you could always do 60 seconds to be on the safe side, but I do not have any issues when it even comes to darker colors if I'm curing for 30 seconds. Also, the gel that I'm using today, it's HEMA 21 free, so if you've ever experienced gel allergy, the Sundara gels have a really sensitive formula that might be something that you want to give a try to, and everything that we are using in today's video can always be found in that description box below. The key thing is when you are working with the gel method, doing very thin layers and making sure you are taking the time, like you see me here, pressing everything down. I know I hold a lot of bulk right there at that cuticle like sidewall area, so that's where I'm going to spend the most of the time, just pressing everything down. I also really like the Nails Truly & Co. dip powders because they're very full coverage and they're not patchy, they're not streaky. You get beautiful, flawless, pretty much effortless coverage, and that is one thing that I truly do love about Nails Truly. And even if you're not getting the exclusive, Nails Truly offers decals, cuticle oil, and dip powder on the website, so you could just grab whatever colors speak to you, which I really do love that. And whatever color you pick with for Nails Truly, you are not going to go wrong. But check out this coverage here. All right, so we're only doing 1 coat, so we're going to keep it real simple. I'm not worried about building up structure or strength on these jelly tips, because these jelly tips in particular, I could wear them without any dip or gel on them and I do not break them. I really do like these jelly tips. They're super comfortable at the cuticle line as well. They do not feel like big or bulky. So we're only going to do 1 coat today, and I'm completely loving the coverage. So this color right here, it's giving us like that winter blue. So when I saw these colors together and when I started dipping into the blue, I was like, okay, we're gonna do a really easy kind of dipping our toes into winter season. Based on these colors alone, they were just kind of screaming winter vibes. So that is kind of like the twist I took into the inspiration of this set today. It's gonna be winter, and it's the first one here on my channel for 2024. So I'm very excited. We have a couple Thanksgiving manis coming up, and then we're going to be diving right into those fun holiday ones. So this is what we're looking with before we go in with any decals. Now, I only did that one coat. Filing and buffing was a breeze because we took that extra step to make sure everything was laying flat. This is all I needed to do for all the nails when it came to filing and buffing. So I just reshaped just a little bit, and check it out. We have great coverage. This nail is not looking bulky. Everything is just laying super flat where we did not need to buff directly onto this nail. I just cleaned it up a little bit with the file, but these powders are really awesome with the combination of this gel. So after filing and buffing, we're going to give it a complete dust off, and then I am going to do a layer of gel base on all the nails today, and I'm going to cure for a full 30 seconds. I personally like to cure as I go when it comes to making a press-on set. I just feel like once I apply the gel base, stick it right in the light. I don't want it to move around or kind of pull up on one side. So to prevent any of like that extra bulk that you could potentially build up by letting that gel base kind of sit there before you cure, I just want to be on the safe side and just stick that in the lamp right away. So that is what I'm doing as we go. I'm applying a very thin layer and curing. Now we're going in with the decal. We're going to keep it really simple. I really wanted you to see how easy these dip powders are to use, especially with the gel method, and how easy these decals are to work with for a really quick set. So if you are somebody that does not like to spend a lot of time on your nails and you're looking for some really quick, easy products, these are going to be your cup of tea because you're adding a decal with really minimal effort, and it's going to give you a touch of nail art. So right here, I was trying to get that decal exactly where I wanted it before sticking it down here. If you wanted a really like super tacky surface, you could always do a layer of transfer foil glue. You just apply a very thin layer, cure for 60 seconds. It's going to give you like the ultimate tacky layer, so that decal is not going to go anywhere. Then to get this decal laying super flat, I'm taking this flat brush and I'm dipping it into that Onyx acetone. It's the 100% acetone from Onyx, and I am just gently feathering that brush over the decal. It's going to get rid of any lines, any wrinkles. It's also going to get rid of all that extra decal that's kind of hanging over the sides there, because I did have a little bit there, but nothing too crazy. And we're just going to make sure this is completely flat. Make sure you're taking your time with this step. This flat brush is also from Sundara Nails. I feel like it is the softest flat brush I've ever used. Then once that's completely dry, I'm just going to tap it down, making sure it's laying super flat. Then to make sure we're not risking that decal lifting up, we're going to apply a layer of gel base over the entire nail. Make sure you cap that free edge and cure for a full 60 seconds. And that is all we're doing for today. I really wanted to keep this easy and kind of showcase the colors and just a splash of nail art here with that decal. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do another layer now of that gel top coat over that cured gel base, apply it to all the nails, and then I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. And here's the finished set. I really love it. It is definitely pulling in those icy colors, and it is perfect for winter. I just love this color so much. If you're not like into that traditional holiday colors, these are really fun, and you still are pulling in a cute, adorable little Santa. But I just love this exclusive. You can definitely still grab this right now, so if it's something you're interested in, definitely snag it up before it sells out, because it will not be restocked. But you cannot go wrong with this month, because all these decals you can utilize throughout the different holidays, which I think is just like genius when it came to this month's exclusive. So, and if you're not interested in the exclusive, definitely check out Nails Truly. There's tons of different decals, dip powders, and cuticle oils. You're definitely going to find something that catches your eye. So I hope you enjoyed today's easy set today. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.